Ladies and gentlemen and fellow investors, I stand before you today to discuss a topic of great importance and potential for wealth creation: Canadian Dividend Aristocrats on the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX. Dividend aristocrats are companies that have a proven track record of consistently increasing their dividends over an extended period. These companies have demonstrated stability, resilience, and a commitment to rewarding their shareholders. In Canada, the TSX is home to several esteemed dividend aristocrats, which have not only weathered economic storms but have also continued to thrive and deliver consistent returns. Today, I will shed light on the significance of dividend aristocrats, explore the advantages of investing in these companies, and provide you with some examples of exceptional Canadian dividend aristocrats on the TSX. Firstly, let us understand why dividend aristocrats are highly sought after by investors. Dividends are a crucial aspect of investing, as they provide a steady income stream regardless of market conditions. Dividend aristocrats offer a unique blend of stability, income, and potential for long-term capital appreciation. By investing in companies with a history of increasing dividends, investors can benefit from compounding returns and the power of consistent wealth creation. Furthermore, dividend aristocrats tend to exhibit strong fundamentals and sustainable business models. These companies typically have a competitive advantage in their respective industries, enjoy steady cash flows, and possess solid balance sheets. Their ability to consistently increase dividends signifies management's confidence in the company's future prospects, financial health, and commitment to creating value for shareholders. Now, let's turn our attention to the Canadian dividend aristocrats specifically listed on the TSX. Canada boasts a robust and diverse economy, with companies spanning various sectors that have a long history of rewarding shareholders. These dividend aristocrats represent a wide range of industries, including banking, utilities, telecommunications, consumer goods, and more. One exemplary Canadian dividend aristocrat is the Bank of Nova Scotia, TSX, BNS. With over 180 years of operations, Scotiabank has established itself as a reliable and consistent dividend payer. It has increased its dividend for 10 consecutive years, highlighting its commitment to rewarding shareholders even in challenging times. The bank's strong market position, global presence, and focus on emerging markets make it an attractive long-term investment opportunity. Another notable dividend aristocrat on the TSX is Enbridge Incorporated, TSX, ENB. Enbridge is a leading energy infrastructure company that operates an extensive network of pipelines, storage terminals, and renewable energy assets. It has an impressive dividend growth history, having increased its dividend for 26 consecutive years. Enbridge's business model benefits from the essential nature of energy transportation and its diversified asset base, making it a reliable income generator for investors. Furthermore, Canadian Utilities Limited, TSX, CU, stands as a prominent dividend aristocrat with a remarkable dividend growth track record. As a diversified utility company, Canadian Utilities operates in various segments, including electricity, natural gas, and global energy infrastructure. It has increased its dividend for an impressive 49 consecutive years, making it one of the most reliable and enduring dividend payers on the TSX. These examples are just a glimpse of the many dividend aristocrats on the TSX. Investing in Canadian dividend aristocrats can provide investors with an attractive combination of income, stability, and long-term growth potential. However, it is crucial to conduct thorough research, assess each company's financials, and consider the macroeconomic environment before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, Canadian dividend aristocrats on the TSX represent an enticing investment opportunity for individuals seeking steady income and long-term capital appreciation. These companies have a proven history of rewarding shareholders and embody the qualities of stability, resilience, and sustainable growth. By investing in Dividend Aristocrats, investors can build a portfolio that generates consistent income, harnesses the power of compounding returns, and withstands market volatility. Let's delve deeper into the concept of Dividend Aristocrats and explore their key characteristics and advantages. Dividend Aristocrats are companies that have a consistent track record of increasing their dividends year after year. They typically belong to well-established industries and have a history of stability, profitability, and reliable cash flows. These companies often possess strong competitive advantages, solid management teams, and a commitment to shareholder value. One of the primary advantages of investing in Dividend Aristocrats is the income they provide to investors. Dividends serve as a regular stream of cash flow, making them particularly appealing for income-focused investors, retirees, and those seeking a reliable source of passive income. By reinvesting dividends, investors can benefit from the power of compounding, allowing their investment to grow over time. Moreover, Dividend Aristocrats tend to exhibit lower volatility compared to other stocks. Their ability to consistently increase dividends reflects financial strength and resilience, indicating that these companies have weathered economic downturns and maintained their dividend payouts even during challenging times. This stability can help cushion the impact of market fluctuations and provide a sense of security to investors. Investing in Dividend Aristocrats also aligns with a long-term investment strategy. These companies often have sustainable business models, solid fundamentals, and a history of adapting to changing market conditions. Their ability to consistently increase dividends demonstrates a management team's confidence in the company's future prospects and commitment to delivering value to shareholders. As a result, Dividend Aristocrats have the potential to generate both income and capital appreciation over the long term. Furthermore, Dividend Aristocrats tend to attract a certain class of investors who prioritize stability and income. This demand can contribute to increased liquidity in the stock, potentially resulting in narrower bid-ask spreads and improved trading conditions for investors. Additionally, Dividend Aristocrats often enjoy a favorable reputation among institutional investors, further boosting their attractiveness and potentially leading to increased demand and price appreciation. When it comes to Canadian Dividend Aristocrats on the TSX, investors can find a diverse range of companies across various sectors. The Canadian market offers opportunities in sectors such as banking, utilities, telecommunications, consumer goods, energy, and more. This diversification allows investors to build a well-rounded portfolio and potentially mitigate risk by not relying solely on one industry or sector. In conclusion, Dividend Aristocrats are highly regarded for their consistent dividend growth, stability, and potential for long-term wealth creation. By investing in these companies, individuals can benefit from regular income, the power of compounding returns, lower volatility, and the potential